Microsoft Azure has such an extensive array of services and features, how can you wrap your head around them all? We'll try to help you here by breaking them down into 10 main categories. Compute. These cloud services let you scale your computing capability on demand while only paying for what you use. Add virtual machines as needed or scale your company's app services for web and mobile apps. Networking. These features let you connect your cloud and on-premise infrastructure in order to bring the best possible experience to your customers. VPNs and load balancing are just two examples of these features. Storage. Whether it's disk, file, blob, or archival storage, these services let you scale your data and app storage needs in a secure fashion. Mobile. With the mobile services, you can build and deploy cross-platform and native apps for any mobile device. Send notifications, use Xamarin to build cloud-powered apps, and take advantage of cognitive services to make your apps smarter. Databases. Choose from a variety of proprietary and open-source database engines to bring your current databases to the cloud. Use tools to manage your SQL, Cosmos DB, MySQL, and other data services. Web. These services help you build, deploy, manage, and scale your web applications. Create web apps, publish APIs to your services, or use Azure Maps to provide geospatial context to your data. Internet of Things. Use these features to connect, monitor, and manage all of your IoT assets. Analyze the data as it arrives from sensors and then take meaningful action with it. Big data. When you have large volumes of data, these open-source cluster services will help you run analytics at a massive scale and make decisions based off of complex queries. AI. Use your existing data to forecast future behaviors based on these AI services. Use machine learning to build, train, and deploy models to the cloud. DevOps. DevOps brings together people, processes, and technology by automating software delivery to provide continuous value to your users. With Azure DevOps, you can create, build, and release pipelines that provide continuous integration, delivery, and deployment for your applications. These categories represent just a small fraction of what is available in Azure. Fortunately, it's easy to try out a new service, then mix and match them to get exactly what you need. And the best part is, you only pay for what you use.